Learn shapes with Honey and Coco. Here we go. 2D shapes, two-dimensional. Two-dimensional shapes are flat. Triangle. A triangle is like your favorite slice of pizza. Circle. A circle is like the shape of a wheel. Rectangle. A rectangle is like the shape of your TV. Oval. Oval is like the shape of an egg. Square. A square is like the shape of a checkerboard. A hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. A star. A star is shaped like a starfish. A pentagon. A pentagon is like the front of a house. Diamond. A diamond is the shape of a kite. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. 3D shapes, three-dimensional. Three-dimensional objects have height, width, and depth. Sphere. A sphere is like our favorite sports balls. Cube. A cube is like dice for your games. Cone. We all know a cone holds our favorite ice cream. Cylinder. A cylinder is shaped just like a can. Thanks for learning with us. Hit the subscribe. See ya.